Today we visited Jaemor Farms in northern Georgia. That's right, to see the pumpkin patch. In this video, we start our day with a hayride to take photos at the pumpkin patch, and then head over to play.
A farm?
Yeah. This farm has so many activities, from slides and train rides to apple cannons and corn mazes.
What are you excited about doing today at the farm?
Corn maze. I want to get lost.
Entrance to the farm is one price, and it includes all the activities on the farm, even feeding the goats.
Are you ready, Maddie? Where are we going? On the farm? And where are we going right now? Where's the what? The pumpkin?
Yeah.
The pumpkin patch. Where are we going, Maddie?
Our family has made it our fall tradition to take a mini road trip each year to see all the fun fall activities along the East Coast. We pick pumpkins from a real patch, go apple picking, eat apple cider donuts, and explore the corn mazes.
What'd you find?
We found one with a blue.
Ooh, that does look nice.
It's a magical flower puppet.
That is beautiful.
Hey, Mama.
Look at the mountains.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama, do you know what I remember?
What?
Last time we came to a pumpkin farm, I sang the song from the punch of flower gleam and
Oh,
glow
yeah.
to those flowers because they look like it, don't they?
They do.
No. I'll show you what I was doing.
And those little yellow
Mommy,
ones.
here's what I was doing. I was doing this flower gleam and glow. Let your power shine. Make something. I forgot the rest of the song.
Turn back what once was mine. Once was mine. All right, let's see what Macy found. Let's go see what Macy found.
Macy found a big flower.
What do you got, Macy? Ooh, a big flower. You see it, Maddie? You want to touch it? Okay, touch it. You want to touch the little pumpkin? Okay, go touch it. How did it feel, Maddie?
Mama, these things spiky.
The leaves are spiky, yep. Only touch the pumpkins. Why do you think, hey Macy, why do you think the vines and the leaves might be spiky? What? Yeah, why do you think there's thorns on those? What would it protect the pumpkin from? Oh, bugs. What else could it protect the pumpkin
What would
from?
what protect the pumpkin from?
Why do you think there's thorns all over the pumpkin vines?
So people don't steal them?
People, but more than people, what would come in here in the wild?
Bears, raccoons, squirrels.
Yeah, it's its own protection, I guess, huh? That's what I'm guessing. I don't know the answer. I'm just seeing what you girls think.
So
What is this? Spooky?
Spookly.
Spoogly?
Spookly.
Spookly?
Yeah. Square pumpkin.
Spookly, the square pumpkin.
Found one that looks like Oh, I didn't find it. Oh, it's right there.
What are you doing with that wagon?
Picking up pumpkin. This looks like a beanbag.
Ooh.
Pumpkin. Beanbag. Beanbag pumpkin. Awkward.
Awkward. They all have their own shape, don't they?
I'm going to the moon.
What do you got? You got a pumpkin? You got a pumpkin?
Wait.
Okay. Macy, what kind of pumpkin are you looking for? Like a tiny one?
It wants a mama.
Wants a mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
It does not want to be alone. Pumpkin mama.
It wants a pumpkin mama? Look at me. Cheese. Boing. When you step on a vine, what does it feel like, Macy? Crunchy?
Mommy, I need to do something up there for a second. I wonder if he's going to be Hulk smash and pull it off. We need help, David's over there.
Aww. Did you find a pumpkin?
There we go.
Woo! Wow. Let's see your fish you caught. Aww. Neat item. What are you two looking for?
I'm looking for a mama pumpkin for her baby.
Aww.
Baby pumpkin is alone.
Where's the baby pumpkin? Yes. There's mama and baby pumpkin right now in the wilderness. They're foraging for the perfect pumpkin. Will they find it? Bum, bum, bum. Melissa, did you find one? What did you all find?
Mama.
You found the mama pumpkin?
Found the mama pumpkin.
We want to study too, Mama.
You want to do that?
Say hi. That's the mama.
Cheers.
It's the mama. Let's see. No, it's me and yours.
Yeah.
Aw, what'd you say, Macy?
Ready? We gotta go back up there, right?
Aw.
I'm looking for a pumpkin that's not too big and not too small. Probably around medium.
What color are you thinking?
Blue.
Blue?
Okay, it's not blue, it's more like whitish blue. Like if you mixed light blue with white, which would make like an even lighter blue.
Okay.
Did you know pumpkins can be red, blue, pink, orange, yellow, and white?
Really?
I mean, according to that sign.
Wow.
It's over there. Also, did you know that the sand they use here can be used as chalk? I'll show you. The color I want is, also look, the color I want is not blue. Color where we found the sparklies. Also, look at this. Those are the facts. See what? See white, blue, red,
Wow.
yellow, orange, pink. And look, long ago, pumpkins were thought to remove freckles and cure snake bites.
Whoa. Look at this sign. Is this different?
This is the pumpkin and how they grow. You plant the pumpkin seeds and a sprout and a vine. 80 to 120 days.
What are you gonna get? That is so small.
Yeah, I'm gonna look like a pumpkin.
She wants a blue pumpkin. Blue? Really? Oh. Spoogly.
After we picked our pumpkins, we changed into play clothes to explore the rest of the farm, starting with Roller Bowler. We ran into some old friends from Florida, and the girls had a great time playing together.
This looks
And
huge.
racing down this huge slide.
Like it, go after. Don't go. Don't yet. Okay, I'm gonna go with you. Can I go with you?
What'd you think, Macy?
I like the slow one, but I cannot go last.
Was it scary?
Okay, it was slow.
How was it?
Good, why can't they at least put stairs? Stairs would be better.
How's the slide?
Fun.
Exactly. Then we got,
Woo! Autumn. Whoa! Autumn won again.
Next up, the barnyard. They had small bags of food to feed the goats, all included in the price of admission.
Mama, look at that one. It's like it has it's small but different colors. That one.
Okay, you want to feed it, Macy? You go like this.
Don't bite it. They're not here. They're not here.
Okay, Maddie, she doesn't want to do it. Here, you want to do it, Maddie? Here.
yeah.
All right, your turn, Maddie. You gotta put it like this so
Yeah,
you
put
can
it in
get
the palm
out
of
your
your hand. Maddie, you fed a giraffe.
Look at it. Aw.
Put it in
Look how
the
good
bowl.
she's doing.
Put it in the bowl. Yeah, you can put it in the bowl if you want.
Oh, there you go. You gave her this one. There's one little piece in there. You gotta find one. Come here, Maddie. Let's go. Come here. Let me get the little baby one. You want to see the baby one?
You want to see the baby?
What are you doing, Maddie? No, I just dropped my phone.
All right.
Baby.
Hold that, Maddie.
What?
Look what Daddy got.
Hold it.
Here, look, put a handful in your hand, okay? Here, put your hand like that. There you go. Yeah, all in your hand. Here, let me show you.
Your daddy will do it.
Watch, look, see, like that. You just gotta put it like that.
Don't bite.
Put it in there.
You want to do it again? You want to lick his hand?
No, just put it on his tongue. He doesn't want on his nose. There you go.
Here, sweetie.
I'm gonna feed the baby right here.
Okay.
I think. Baby, come here, sweetie.
Oh, I didn't even see her. Yeah. Come here.
We're off to the train ride. Everyone loved this ride. Each car could hold up to 2 kids or 1 adult, which ended up being a fun ride for the whole family.
Autumn! Macy!
Is that a corn maze or is it just a wandering corn maze?
That's a corn maze.
Next up was the apple cannon. Each person received 3 apples to shoot off, included with their price of admission. These cannons were very powerful and had targets to aim towards. Be careful, they are also very loud.
Try to hit that target.
What?
Try to hit those targets.
What target?
Those red ones.
You hold those.
Macy, you're gonna drop it out the front.
I think we got it.
I think you hit that tree right there.
That was our goal.
Oh yeah.
Mommy, Mommy,
My turn.
that made me wet. That got me
Here we go.
wet.
See if I can get. I'm gonna get that.
Hit that. Right by it.
Waiting for one of those. Hold on. Oh!
Oh, you want to do the go?
So try to hit the green
I'm gonna get this one at her.
No, watch. Let me see how you green line. And this is the last one.
From there, we climbed on the spider webs, raced our rubber ducks,
You're doing it!
I got first place. I got first place. Keep going,
Go, Macy! Go, Macy! Go! Yay! What'd you say, Maddie? This is fun? Where are we going now?
and raced tricycles all around.
Mm-hmm.
100, 400 laps left to go. Oh my God. 101.
You are doing it. Push front. Maddie, picture.
There were so many cute photo ops and hay barrels with paintings. We just loved taking photos of the family. Jaemor Farm had 2 corn mazes. This mini maze was perfect for a 2-year-old, and the bigger maze was perfect for the older girls.
Going in the corn maze.
This is your favorite activity, Autumn, in the fall?
Follow the yellow, and maybe the yellow will lead us in.
Hey, Maddie. You coming?
After a fun and active day outdoors, it's time for some ice cream on the patio. The special flavor for this season was strawberry and peach, but be sure to visit the market at the top of the hill for more specialty items, fresh baked breads and hand-picked apples, plus pineapple ice cream. This was definitely a farm we'd visit again. Each activity was spread out with plenty of space to relax and play. The kids really enjoyed all the games and visited them over and over. And we took some beautiful pictures in the pumpkin patch. If you enjoyed this video, check out our fall road trip videos to Lavoies Farm in New Hampshire, where they hand out free corn, and apple picking at Carlson Orchards in Massachusetts. And don't forget to like and subscribe to
More